Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into something you probably use every single day, but might not know much about, FTTH or fiber to the home. It sounds super technical, but I promise by the end of this video, you'll get it completely. So, what exactly is FTTH? Simply put, it's the technology that brings lightning-fast internet directly into your house using fiber optic cables. Think of it as the VIP lane on the information superhighway exclusively for your home. So, why is everyone so excited about fiber? Well, there are three huge benefits. First, speed. We're talking about incredible speeds for both downloading and uploading. Whether you're streaming 4K movies, gaming online with friends, or uploading massive files for work, fiber handles it all without breaking a sweat. No more frustrating, buffering wheels. Second, stability. Unlike older cable or DSL connections that can be affected by whether or how many people in your neighborhood are online, fiber is incredibly reliable. It's a dedicated, consistent connection you can count on day or night. And third, it's future-ready. This is the backbone of the network. As these cables get closer to your home, they reach a box called a splitter. The splitter's job is to take the main fiber signal and divide it, sending individual strands to different houses in your area. This is where a crucial piece of equipment comes in, called an ONT, which stands for Optical Network Terminal. This little box is usually installed on an outside or inside wall, like in your garage or utility room. Its job is to take the light signals traveling through the fiber optic cable and convert them into electrical signals that your devices can understand. From the ONT, you run an Ethernet cable to your Wi-Fi router, and just like that, your router broadcasts the super-fast internet signal, connecting your phone, laptop, smart TV, and all your other gadgets to the web. It's a seamless journey from the central office through light-speed cables, right to your screen. To make this even clearer, let's use a simple analogy. Imagine your internet connection is like your home's water supply. The Telecom central office is the main water reservoir for the whole city. The huge fiber optic cables running through the city are like the massive water mains that carry water everywhere. The splitter box near your house is like a smaller junction in the pipes that directs water down your specific street. It's all about getting a powerful, direct flow right where you need it. So there you have it. FTTH is all about getting a dedicated, ultra-fast and super stable internet connection by running a fiber optic cable straight to your doorstep. It's the gold standard of home internet, making everything from work to entertainment faster and more reliable. If you've ever been frustrated by slow internet, now you know what the ultimate solution looks like. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped demystify the world of fiber internet.